Hello students, welcome to the semester. This is our first real assignment with a reading by Neil Gaiman. I used to read comics by Neil Gaiman called The Sandman. He's very qualified to talk about trigger warnings. Here are a couple of his images. You'll see he just does some cool stuff. There's a cool one. Believe me, he has much worse images. As you read for this class and post on the forums, like you'll be doing for this class, here's our assignment. Just to access the reading, you just click on Read More, and there's our actual assignment by Neil Gaiman. This is the intro to his book, Trigger Warning. Please be comfortable with expressing your ideas. Like Gaiman says, we all have different triggers and we all have different backgrounds that we bring to life. And what we want to do in this class is to bring all that and bring it all together and to add to our overall life experience. And that's what reading does. And so here's that first journal with the questions. As you read everything for this class, always question why. Why did the author write this? Why did the author use this word? How does this story relate to my life? What would I do? And as you get to know me, you may even want to question, why did Mr. T assign this story? All right. These are the questions about trigger warning. So as you read it, you kind of get a little background into me. And it even asks, why does your instructor think reading literature is important? Hopefully you can figure that out from what I just said. I thank you for your time, and it's going to be a great semester.